Okay, so this is problem 6.1.7. It says find all numbers for which the rational expression is undefined, and they give you this expression right here, z squared plus 12 over z squared minus 3z minus 28. Okay, so what we're doing when we're trying to find where an expression is undefined is we're actually looking at what values would make this undefined in terms of when you're looking at a fraction is undefined when the denominator equals 0. So what we're really concerned with is when does this expression equal 0? Because wherever this expression equals 0, those values are going to be undefined in this expression, because any number divided by, let me just write that over here, any number divided by 0 is what we call undefined. Okay. Can't see that very well. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. So if we take a look at this bottom here and we say, well, where does it actually equal 0? Whatever values equal 0 there are going to be values that we're going to have to exclude. They're going to be values that aren't going to make sense. So what I have to do is solve this, and we're going to solve this by factoring. And I would use z and z, and for the 28 I would use 7 and 4. And let's see, if I use a negative 7 and a positive 4, that'll work to give me the negative 3z for the middle and the negative 28 for the last. And then I'm going to set the z plus 4 to 0 and z minus 7 to 0. Subtract 4. So we get z equals negative 4 and add 7. So we get z is equal to 7. Now, these are actually values that z can't equal, because the question was find all numbers for which it's undefined. These numbers right here, this expression is going to be undefined for those numbers. And the reason for that is, you can see right here, if I take negative 4 and if I plug it into this expression, you know, negative 4 on the top here is going to give me 16 plus 12. That'll just give me some number. When I plug it in the bottom, it's going to give me 0. So I'm going to have some number divided by 0, which is undefined, which is one of the reasons that that negative 4 there is something that we would exclude. The same thing is true of z equals 7. So these are your answers.